McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Another farm, he had a cow, moo. Another farm, he had a horse.
So how far away was it from here for you?
It said 20 miles.
That wasn't bad. I mean, it's
No.
more than that from Jersey City.
Yeah.
Hey, I show you how to swim like the slide and this. Look at you. No. Yeah. You crying for your mama? Yeah. She's crying for her mama.
She's crying for her mama?
Yeah.
No, she's not. She's a big girl.
Right, no splash, honey.
I think Daddy can't swim, Braylon.
What's wrong with Marcelli, Braylon?
McDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a cow. Moo! And on his farm he had a sheep. Nah. And on his farm he had I don't know.
What is the I don't know stuff? This is going to be great to watch this when she's Joey's age. What's up, Luigi? You know Anne-Marie? That's Anne-Marie. That's Luigi. He's still drunk. It's okay.
What?
What's Luigi?